Hey guys, this video is going to be a little bit different. I've been wanting to make a video where I kind of explain how the channel got started and a little bit more about who I am for anybody who's interested, and what better place to start than my very first video. So this is the BMW airbag light reset video, and aside from this walk around shot at the beginning and the outro shot at the end, the bulk of this footage was filmed 4 or 5 years before I started my YouTube channel. At the time, I didn't know YouTube was really a thing for DIYs. Maybe I was just kind of starting to watch videos there, but I didn't find a video that helped me with this procedure, so I made my own. And the way I did it was, well, at the time I was learning everything not from YouTube, but from e46fanatics.com, which is this awesome E46 forum that it still exists, and it's still a great source of information. But in the last few years, it's kind of been replaced with YouTube videos and Facebook groups. So I learned how to do this on that website. I bought the software on eBay. The software came, it only ran on Windows XP, and I didn't know anything about virtual machines, so I had to dig out this old computer from the closet. And then all the setup instructions were in German, so I had to fumble through those. And eventually I got it all figured out and decided, hey, I should probably make a video about this to help other people. So I got my friend to help me film this. I didn't have a tripod or anything at the time. I uploaded it to my personal YouTube channel where I had videos of me playing guitar and stuff, and then I would share the link on E46 Fanatics to help other people. Over time, this video got like 2,000 views, which seemed like a lot to me, and it was starting to get some pretty good comments. So eventually I figured maybe I should start doing this for real. It felt really good to be helping people, and I'm always working on cars anyway, and I wanted to do something more creative with my free time. So I started writing down ideas for videos, and I figured out that there is an endless amount of things that I can make videos about. Between my car and my Jeep and my motorcycle and my friends' cars and motorcycles, I pretty much had an unlimited amount of topics to make videos about. So that's what I started doing. At the time, I was binge watching Scotty Kilmer videos, and anytime he was talking about a BMW or a Jeep, he called it an endless money pit, and that just clicked. These things really are endless money pits, and that's the only reason why I learned how to work on them myself. So I took the footage from this video and I scripted a voiceover for it, and I got those intro and outro shots, and then I put a couple other videos together, and just like that, I was a YouTuber. I also made the Endless Money Pits intro video at that time, which is basically a compilation of clips from my first few videos, and then I wrote a song on guitar that I played over it. I uploaded my first 3 videos in the same day, and then I kept making more videos in my free time between phone calls at work. That's the way it went for about 1.5 years until I finished school and I quit my job. And then about 7 months ago, I really started working full time on these videos, trying to put out 1 a week or more. And now here we are. The channel hit 750 subscribers today, and 50 of those came in the last 15 days. So things are starting to go pretty well. The comments that you guys leave on my videos are some of the nicest that I've ever seen on any YouTube channel, and it is so encouraging. I really appreciate it. I even printed out the first 50 comments I got and put them on my wall to keep me motivated. That's pretty much everything I wanted to say in this video. So again, thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment if you think I should make more videos like this. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.
Just keep saying to yourself, endless money pit, endless money pit, endless money pit.